Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're going to be going over Jagermeister Spice.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, why don't you tell us a little bit about this non-green Jaeger bottle?
I know. Jagermeister Spice, cinnamon and vanilla blend. Beautiful thing. Yeah, I know. It's a brown bottle, which is interesting for them. So this is a donation from my sister-in-law, Shauna Zitrick. So appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
All right. So this is 25% alcohol. This is cinnamon and vanilla blended with the original 56 ingredients. It's seasonal. It also adds clove and saffron as well. And in Germany, they call it the Winterkruater. So, so it's like I said, it's not really available very often. I don't even know if it's still even available in the States, but we appreciate the donation and we will see what we think.
Yeah, and if you want more information on Jagermeister in general, you can check out our video that we've already done on just the regular Jaeger.
Regular and the cold brew.
And the cold brew. Can't forget about the cold brew.
That's right.
Oh,
there's the Jaeger.
Jaeger's definitely there.
Jaeger's definitely there.
The cinnamon took over on the first.
Cinnamon, cloves, vanilla, saffron.
No, it smells like NyQuil.
Orange pill, pepper.
Green NyQuil.
It smells like nighttime NyQuil.
Incense.
I'm picking up on the incense.
Oh, I get the NyQuil too. Yeah, there's definitely NyQuil there. You're not wrong on that at all.
That's why they shoot it. Because you're supposed to shoot the NyQuil too.
Hey, like those geniuses in college. I'm going to get drunk on NyQuil.
Oh, this smells a little bit too sugary for my palate.
Okay.
But I am getting some of those spices behind it, that clove, that cinnamon.
Yeah, they're definitely there.
You have to let Cindy try this.
Mm-hmm.
Smells pretty decent. All right, let's see.
Tastes like NyQuil too. It tastes more like NyQuil than regular Jaeger does. I'm not a fan of NyQuil. I only take it when I have to. But it's not
bad. It's kind of thin though.
Which I was shocked. It's very thin compared to the regular.
Oh yeah, way thin.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting.
It's not nearly as sweet on the palate as it smells like it's going to be. The sugary sweetness is very buried by the clove and the cinnamon.
Agree.
I'm actually going to go back in for a second sip of this.
Wow.
Oh my gosh. It's
amazing.
The sweetness is not there.
Yeah, it's really not. It's really just that clove and cinnamon, that little bit of vanilla, that same thing, that saffron and orange, and
the orange
and pepper, and the incense. It's exactly what I found on the nose is exactly what's on the palate.
The orange is very prominent now when I go back in for a second.
Orange and incense, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's good. I just wish it was a little bit thicker. It's just so thin.
Right. I agree.
But I think
you like that.
You like that?
I like that better than regular Jägermeister and better than the cold brew.
You know what I think this would be really good in, though? If you took like a mulled wine and put it in a mulled wine, I think it'd be really good. Which I think is probably. I don't know what they do exactly in Germany with something like that, but I think.
I wonder if
really
it's supposed to be served chilled like regular Jaeger is. Because regular Jaeger, it's got to be like below freezing.
They ask you to.
Does not actually. It just says spice is best enjoyed neat or as a shot. It doesn't say anything about actually making it cold. Which, maybe they because I think this is a wintertime thing. It would actually make sense that it wouldn't be served cold because if you're in Germany, which is a lot colder than here,
you're
gonna want something to warm you up. And this does have a nice warming cinnamon sensation to it.
Yeah,
it does.
It's
so like easy to come out from the cold and drink this. It makes sense why this would be a winter warmer.
And at only 25%, 50 proof, it really. I mean, you could probably drink quite a bit of it.
Yeah, and the same thing. It's like under $25, so it's not expensive.
Okay.
So I think it's pretty good. I'm actually shocked. This is fairly good.
I'm gonna have to see if this is around.
Yeah,
I have no idea.
And my favorite Jaeger product so far, for sure.
I'll have to ask Julia.
Yeah.
Well, it's pretty good. Well, thanks, Shauna. Appreciate this. This was quite a nice surprise.
Yeah. Definitely not horrible.
No.
All right. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time,
keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
Cheers.
Shocked, that's good.
Harry's naked.
I saw
That
that.
gets better. What?
Harry,
Our cat has no collar.
he's naked.
Oh, I'm going.
Harry Potter,
What?
Naked.
why are you
Confused. What the
naked?
hell's going on here?
Where's your collar?